in Bali we are back on a trek again, in a direct meaning of these words. And Elliot just brought me good news. So he said that he read the news, it was in a news, right?
Yeah, Australian.
Australian news, so that Bali is open starting December 2nd. That's good news. We'll see what will be the outcome of all that, but it's definitely a really good news. Jalan-jalan. Today, look at that. Wish I'm on the top at the moment. This is the first time I took the water with me, because yeah, Laura is pushing me to do it, because when we did a lot of hiking, then I got the problems, like all my right side became numb, like, you know, when it's like a heart stroke, something like that. Even my lips and tongue became, on one side, became numb. I think it's because of the thick blood, maybe because of sweating and that stuff. Another thing, the electrolyte level maybe was low, so I'm drinking water again and it feels okay now, so don't worry too much. I will be fine. Completely clear sky today, no any cloud. Getting really hot. A little bit more and then we will turn around. Sun is getting really high. It's really hot. And it's the time to turn around, turn back. Look at this. November, December is the hottest months here in Bali. So basically it's been heating up all the year after the rain season, and now it's reaching its peak. So when there's a rain coming, usually like in the middle of December or beginning of January, so that it's raining and cooling everything down. And so then starting February, like mid of February, then it's a cold air coming from the mountains down again. Well, at the moment it's the same, like, I don't know, in many countries where there's no mountains around, so it's a constant temperature all 24 hours, so it's not cool air in the night, and it's a kind of like really tiring. And so yeah, you're feeling tired because it's hot. The only thing which helps is air conditioned room. That's it. I'm a bit dying.
So hot.
It is. It's really hot. But the one thing you will learn when you do a lot of sports is to listen your body. And at the moment I'm feeling like the last 300 meters I was kind of overheated. My body was a little bit overheated, so I have to cool down now. But it was really good. 5.5 kilometers. Cool. Kind of news. So there was a meeting, I don't know when it was at, but there was a meeting yesterday or maybe another day. So they decided that Bali will be open for international flights. At the moment all the international flights go through Jakarta. It doesn't mean that the tourism is open again. It's not like that. It's still like so if you will have some working permit like Kitas, Kitap, whatever. I'm actually lost in all these names. I don't want to. I just know that I need Kitas and that's it. And for the business visas, so then you will be able to fly directly to Bali. And it's kind of not the good and not bad news, because if the business visas will be open, there's a lot of tourists will use them. And yeah, it's kind of expensive, but everybody who's planning to stay a little bit longer, so then it's a kind of chance. And like for example, like we spoke with Elliot today, and for Australians, for example, who's already in a lockdown, they don't work, but they have a money. And then if you think where to spend your time in Australia in lockdown, or here where you can travel all around island, you can do surfing, you can do diving, you can just go to the mountains, you can hike, you can run, you can do whatever, right? So you are not limited here. So then I think it's a good chance. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow.